What we have here is Mr. Grzybowski drilling the first hole of the season. He's going to demonstrate for us in a little bit on how you can catch 18-inch perch. And
with the French fry.
With the French fry. So what we have here, we got some holes already going. We got trying to get some fish on. Everybody's waiting for pro staff member Ian to get everybody set up.
Because we're deep, I'm going to give you a weight to go on here.
Pro staff member Alex is actually showing Natalie.
And then start reeling as you can. Hopefully we'll catch you something. We'll catch him in there, so about 5 feet away, so you ought to get a bite or two. How you doing?
Alrighty. There's pro staff Alex. Natalie's demonstrating.
And one thing you can do is, just not by feeling, is watch your tip. If it moves tiny bit like that, set up. Sometimes you won't feel them. You just watch the pole moving. Okay? Yeah.
This is Alex's catch for the members only tournament. Alex came out early setting up everything so we could get out here and get on the fish. So we'll come back and see if once everybody starts getting into some, we'll start videotaping the catches.
There's one right there. There's one on the back side, there's one here, and there's one there.
Here's one of our Eagle Scouts representing.
Ready to go.
What troop are you representing, AJ?
Troop 207.
207.
Yep.
Okay, well hopefully these guys will be able to watch you yanking them out, and then they're going to be really hating life because they could have came out with you.
Absolutely.
We'll come back.